What if every time someone saw your business card, your flyer, or your Instagram post, they could tap one thing and land directly on your website, your menu, your payment link, or your social media instantly? That is exactly what a QR code does. And the crazy part, you can create one for free under 2 minutes. But here is the problem. Most people don't know there is a right way and the wrong way to create a QR code. Get it wrong, your QR code stops working. Your customers get frustrated and you lose business. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a QR code the right way. Even if you've never done it before, stay till the end because I will also show you the number one mistake people make with QR codes and how to avoid it. Here is a situation I know a lot of you have been in. You've got a business. Maybe you sell a drinks, you run a salon, do freelance work, or maybe you just want people to follow your social media page. And every time you tell someone your link, they type it wrong. They forget it or they just don't bother. You are literally losing customers and followers because sharing information the old way, typing long URLs just don't work anymore. QR codes solve the problem completely. You put the code on anything or a sticker, a flyer, a screen, and people just scan it, done, there on your page immediately. So let's fix this right now. I will walk you through everything. I use QR codes for my own business, for my YouTube channel, for everything. And once I started putting the QR code on my packaging and flyers, people started following my page and visiting my links without me having to say a single word. It's passive traffic and it costs you nothing. All right, let's go straight into it. First off, we'll head over to this website, online QR code generator. You'll see the amazing things they can achieve from this website. Number one, you see select your QR code type, add content, design your QR code, download your QR code. So over here, we have amazing things we can link our QR code to. We can link it to a website. We can link it to PDF, list of links. There are so many business card, business, video, image, Facebook, Instagram, social media, WhatsApp. So many things you can add up QR code on. Okay, so decide the one you want. Let me say you want to link up your website. You click on the website here. For the tutorial purposes, I'll just click on the website here. You go head over to this stage 2, which is add content to your QR code. So if you don't have a website, you can still go back and select business card, which is V card, or business video, anyone you want to work with. So let me go to business card. Click on the business card. This interface will pop up, which is basically for you to design your color palette, how you want your color to look like. You can see how it looks by the side, how it will appear on the card and on mobile phone. You select the colors you prefer. As a business owner or social media manager, you have a color you prefer. Okay, so after that, you come down to personal information, where you'll be adding maybe image of yourself. Let me add up my own image right here. I'll head over to my image. I'll pick up this one. I've added my image. Add over. You have option to change your image. Maybe you don't like the image you added. You can see my image right here. You don't like the image name, I will say Anthony. Surname, Olu, U-L-U. For those that don't know my name, this is my name, okay? Contact details, add phone number, you add a phone number. Add email, you add email. Website, if you have, you add. You want to add up more stuff, you can click here and add up, okay? Add contacts at the bottom. If you want the contact to be at the bottom, you add up. These ones are optional, okay? You head over to locations, you select location. I will say Nigeria, just for the tutorial purpose, okay? Company name, you select a company name. It's optional. I will say G to G Pizza. Account manager, anything you can, CEO. Profession, say CEO. Summary, you write what your business is all about. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's say we are linking up YouTube channel. This is just for the tutorial purpose, okay? Over here, you have a lot of social media you can link to. After that, you go to save. This is what it looks like. Over here at the stage 3, design your QR code. You can design how you want your QR code to look like, okay? It has amazing templates here where you can design. Scan me one, scan me other one. It has the one with envelope with nice design. It has that shows 2 hands. It has this one that shows briefcase, ties, envelope, delivery bike. You choose any one that suits your preference, okay? And by this right hand side, you see that my picture is popped up is engraved on the QR code. So right here you see pattern, QR code pattern. So let me say I am choosing this chef cap. You can see scan me. If you want it to have scan me on it, frame text, you add up whatever you want it to have on it. That is how it will appear, okay? Use a gradient color. If you want to change the colors, you can do that. Transparent background, that is up to you. So over here, you will see QR code pattern. You click on it, you see amazing patterns they have here. So you select anyone that suits you, okay? So QR code corners, how you want the edge, the corners of the QR code to look like. Do you want it to have a square that has space in it? Anyone that works with you. Over here, you can even add logo of your business on it, okay? Let me add another of my image. I already have my picture on it, so it sounds as the logo of my business. So you click on save. We are heading to the QR code is ready as we speak. So right here, look at how it appears. Remember, I used the chef card on the QR code with my image on it. This is how it looks like. So if you want to download, you log in your details, email address, and have it download. Mind you, there is no subscription. This is free. You can do this in your business. Even if you don't have a business, you can create this to stand out from the crowd. Someone wants to get your email address, your social media handles, they will easily scan your QR code and straight up to it. So let's head over to monkey, QR code monkey. You see the difference. This is QR code monkey here. You click on it, it will open. This is how it looks like. So up here, you see URL, text, email, phone, SMS, vCard, almost the same pattern it has on the other one, and you are good to go. So select the one you want. Do you want you enter, let me go for phone. Okay. Let me go for phone. So anyone you are going into, you decide how you want. You can add logo, add context, set colors, add logos, customize design, and you are good to go. Same way I did the first one. So feel free to try this out on your business and stand out of the crowd. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. If you are new on my channel, I create amazing content on how you can use AI content to make money for yourself. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Let me know the one you'll be trying out next. And if you have any other tutorial you want me to put you through, let me know on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you on the next video. Cheers.